Good morning, students. Today I'm going to show you how to write a sentence uh, correctly because I noticed that some of you are still, you probably forgot about it. I'm sure you learned this last year with Miss Sierra, but you probably forgot about it. So this is how I want you to do your homework when you turn in your DPMs, your assignments, everything that you write. I want you to always write in complete sentences. What does that mean? Well, when you're writing a complete sentence, you're writing a complete thought, and you always start with a capital letter, and then you end up the sentence with some type of punctuation. It can be a period, it can be a question mark, depending. So right now, I'm just gonna start with something that I want to say. They call them a statement. Where it says if you wanna say, for example, you wanna write, "My friend is nice." It's kind of tricky to do it with one of the electronic pens. Okay, so we have a sentence here, right? My friend is nice. We're just saying something. But if you noticed, I started a sentence with capital M. That's how you're supposed to do it. Okay, always, not just every now and then. Always, you should learn that. You should know that already. Okay, and if you notice, I ended up the sentence with a period. Okay, now that is a complete sentence, because it's saying a complete thought. You started with a capital M and you ended up the sentence with a period. Okay. Now, there's another type of sentence. It's called a question, like when you're asking something. Like, for instance, let's look at this question. How old are you? This is a question, right? So at the end of the question, you always write a question mark. Okay, because it's a question. If you don't write that question mark at the end, then it's not going to be a question. But remember, you always start with a capital letter, and you end it with a question mark because it's a question. Okay, let me erase these little dots over here. They're not supposed to be here. Okay, there it is. Okay, so that is the way that you write either a statement, something that you're just saying, or a question. Okay. Later on, I'll talk to you about exclamations, but I don't want to confuse you. Right now, the main thing that I want you to know is that you always start with a capital letter and then you put a punctuation at the end. Okay? Either if it's either a period or if it's a question, you write a question mark. Okay. Thank you. Please do it because this your grades depend on this. If you guys don't do it correctly, this is gonna affect your grade. Okay. See you later. Bye.